Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm inside because it's like a hurricane outside here in Ehrenberg, Arizona, but I'm here with the Phoenix Ramblers. We're going to check out this really cool rig that they've completely remodeled, and stay with me. It's really cool. I promise you're going to love it.
This is our first trailer, and we were new at doing the RV thing because we were previous tent campers. So, my wife Sharon, of course my name's Bobbie, and sometimes she'll call me Mr. Childers on our channel.
Yeah.
People ask us why we chose a Vintage. Well, we thought we would save some money. And when you go Vintage, this is the classic, it's a 1970 29-foot Holley Rambler. And the thing of it is we were looking because we didn't want to spend a bunch of money on new RVs because we knew friends of ours had lots of problems with it. This trailer we bought for $400. We worked on it for 2 years before I retired. I stayed a little bit longer so we could put the money I made. So we didn't want any debt when we retired. And that was very important for us. All this work we did ourselves. We didn't hire anybody.
We had to take it down to the skin and redo the whole thing.
Even got a wood-burning fireplace.
We wish.
We wish.
It's electric.
It's electric. Now I'll show you. Like you open it up like this.
Oh yeah.
If I got my generator on now, so I can cut them. But we heated with this heater in South Carolina. In 2016, we went to see her sister, and we heated the trailer with that, and it was 11 degrees outside.
Wow.
Because when we tore this trailer apart, we improved everything behind the walls.
Right.
Everything's
new wiring, new plumbing,
new plumbing,
everything.
New insulation, the whole
insulation.
9 yards.
Right. I'm just amazed that you guys have stacking washer dryer, right?
Yep.
And a bathroom and a pantry.
This is a pantry
Yeah,
here.
big pantry. Wow. It's amazing what you can fit in such a tiny space when you put your mind to it.
You
right?
put your mind to it.
Yeah.
We built it all.
Yeah.
I reinforced the wall so that I put the hangers, got a racking system.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
just hangs to the wall.
Right.
So I reinforced the wall for these appliances.
Yeah. Nice.
And you do that, you get that option when you build.
Yeah.
But the tile itself on the floor is a ceramica tile.
Okay.
It's not just regular tile.
Yeah, yeah.
And it is a pick and steel, but it has a grout.
A peel and stick.
Oh yeah, peel and stick.
Peel and stick, yeah.
Yeah. You can take that part out of the video.
Yeah, I'll cut that out, yeah.
Gotta have fun with this stuff.
You know, I'm still shocked that you've got this much fit into this space. I mean, it's just crazy.
Back here we have the bedroom. people always ask, does this stuff stay up here? It all stays stays up here when we travel. And the way we did our clothing, just with these baskets, just try to make it simple instead of adding weight of doors and everything.
Oh yeah,
We just use the baskets and I put this is just typical house molding. All the wood was seconds. They gave me a deal on the Lowe's.
Right.
And I was taking all their scrap stuff. And they gave me a pile of lumber for $10.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's what. Some of it I had to glue back together.
Right.
But all this is anchored and screwed to the I-beams in the walls and here. Held together for 4 years.
Yeah.
Over 4 years we've been out here now. And we tried to repurpose. The floor was a floor she got at the what's that?
Thrift store.
The thrift store.
$30.
For $30. So we tried to repurpose, and some of the wiring I got in, I bought extra wire and connection boxes at the thrift store. We got a whole roll of wire for like $30, and it wired half this trailer. So it's got all house wiring in it.
Right.
And all the lighting's LED and everything. Put the deep sinks in, the stainless deep sinks.
Oh yeah.
Those little nice things make a difference. It's not like the standard RV stuff. On the counter, a lot of people ask about the counters. That's bar glaze that's on this wood.
Oh, okay.
And I bought this, it's a solid piece, but it's put together plank. At
Yeah.
Lowe's, it's $30 for this.
Yeah.
And I just cut it out.
This is the only wood in here that's not seconds.
The rest of it's all seconds. And we just put
Yeah.
it together, made it work. Everybody says, oh, look at the fancy cabinetry, and I'm not a carpenter.
I like the detail. Yeah, that's cool.
But we bought this strip because I glued it together.
And I didn't like the way
Oh,
you
yeah.
could see the seam.
And you can see
Right.
the seam, so I put this strip on to dress it up a little bit. It's just when you're doing something like this, you got to think in your mind how to keep the cost down and make it simple.
Right.
So I hope everybody enjoys the video. Hope y'all enjoy the channels we all have, and if we've taught you anything, that's great.
Yeah.
It's all good stuff.
Well, thanks. We had fun touring the Phoenix, so we appreciate you guys letting us come in and take a look. And I know it's not always fun having people traipse through your house, but but we appreciate it, and I know that our community will appreciate it. So thanks again.
Thank you.
We'll see you guys out there somewhere someday.
Oh yeah.
Out there in the.
We never say goodbye. We'll say see you later.
Awesome. Yeah, I like that. All right.
Happy travels, everybody.
Safe travels. Thanks guys for joining me today with the Phoenix Ramblers and the tiny vintage RV tour, I guess. But we had a blast. Super nice folks. Check out their channel, the Phoenix Ramblers, on YouTube. Of course, Facebook, Instagram, all the normal social medias. But check them out. Follow them. They're awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications when we upload new videos. We'll see you on the next one. Safe travels, have fun, and remember, you can always go vintage. Later. Thanks for checking out our latest video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And while you're at it, click on the little bell to get notifications every time we upload a new video. Thanks again.